and we're going to check that out next. But first, let's see what TAC Renata from FHIA has for us today.
We're still getting a lot of questions about changing out roofs, and I'm hearing from a lot of homeowners about the different options that are available and making sure that they're making the best decisions for their home in deciding to change out their roof. And one of the things that we often talk about when we meet with homeowners is what are our expectations and what are our goals when we're changing out our roofs. And a lot of times homeowners are saying they never want to do it again. They want this to be the last roof that they ever put on. So there is a solution for that, and there is a way that we can accomplish that, and it's by using the Integrity Roofing System. What we really love most about the Integrity Roofing System is it's never any additional charges for the homeowner, and it really includes everything. And we recently had an experience with a homeowner that really kind of illustrates why it's so important to make sure not only you're making the right decision with the contractor, but also choosing the right system. So we recently met with a homeowner that 12 years ago put on a new roof. And when they were putting on the new roof, they asked the roofing contractor to put on 2 layers of felt paper. So the roofing contractor did that. They put 2 layers of felt paper on, and then they put the shingles over top of that. And again, I'm sure that contractor knew that doubling up on the felt paper was not going to make it any more preventative from water getting into the home. So you telling the contractor to double up on the felt paper, A, you just paid additional for something that's not going to even come close to accomplishing what you were trying to do. It was also voided the warranty, so they have no warranty. It was a 25-year supposed warranty, and they have none, and they're looking to replace their roof 12 years later. Asking the right questions and making sure you're choosing the right contractor that also listens to your questions and gives you the right answers is so important, because here's a family that had a roof put on 12 years ago that should never be replacing their roof already, and yet they're doing it again. But this time they wanted to make sure it's done right, and that now they never will do it again. So we're certainly glad they gave us the opportunity to meet with them and help them out so that they never have to do it. And they chose a great roofing system, and they're going to be so proud and so happy with the decisions that they made. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.